Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Petitioner further withdraws all such pleadings made in this regard in the affidavit filed by the petitioner through deponent in response to the order dated 13/8/2010 passed by the Honorable Court as well as all the consequent proceedings. Stop. There is no doubt that at the very initial stage the respondents have tendered apology and prayed for dropping of the contempt proceedings. Stop. We are not quite certain as to the bona fide and intent of the respondents in tendering such an apology. Stop. For a court to accept the apology in a contempt action, it is required that such apology should be bona fide and in actual repentance of the conduct which invited initiation of contempt proceedings. Stop. Furthermore, the conduct should be such which can be ignored without compromising the dignity of the court. Stop. Contempt is disorderly conduct of a contemner causing serious damage to the institution of justice administration. Stop. Such conduct with reference to its adverse effects and consequences can be discernibly classified into two categories: one which has a transient effect on the system and oblique or the person concerned and is likely to wither away by the passage of time, while the other causes permanent damage to the institution and administration of justice. Stop. The latter conduct would normally be unforgivable. Stop. Institutional tolerance which the judiciary possesses, keeping in mind the larger interest of the public and administration of justice, should not be misunderstood as weakness of the system. Stop. Maintaining the magnanimity of law is the linchpin to the wheels of justice. Stop. Therefore, in certain cases, it would be inevitable for the court to take recourse to rigorous of the statute. Stop. It is the seriousness of the irresponsible acts of the contemners and the degree of harm caused to the institution and administration of justice which would decisively determine the course which the court should adopt, that is, either drop the contempt proceedings or continue proceedings against the contemner in accordance with law. Stop. The apology tendered even at the outset of proceedings has to be bona fide, should demonstrate repentance and sincere regret on the part of the contemner, lest the administration of justice is permitted to be crudely hampered with immunity by the persons involved in the process of litigation or otherwise. Stop. An apology which lacks bona fide and is intended to truncate the process of law with the ulterior motive of escaping the likely consequences of such flagrant violation of the orders of the court and disrespect to the administration of justice cannot be accepted. Stop. In the case of Prem versus Additional and Judicial Magistrate 2002 Bracket 4 RCR Criminal 272. This court sternly reprimanded a contemner who had slapped the presiding officer in open court and held that the slap on the face of the judicial officer is in fact a slap on the face of the justice delivery system in the country, and as such question of acceptance of any apology, stop, or an undertaking does not and cannot arise, neither can there be any question of any leniency as regards the sentence. Stop. The rule of law has to be maintained whatever be the consequences. Stop. The welfare of people is the supreme law, and this enunciates adequately the ideal of the law. Stop. This could only be achieved when justice is administered lawfully, judicially, without any fear, and without being hampered or throttled by unscrupulous elements. Stop. The administration of justice is dependent upon obedience or execution of the orders of the court. Stop. The contemptuous act which interfered with administration of justice on one hand and impinging upon the dignity of institution of justice on the other, bringing down its respect in the eye of the commoner, are acts which may not fall in the category of cases where the court can accept the apology of the contemner even if it is tendered at the threshold of the proceedings. Stop. The Black's Law Dictionary 8th edition 1999 defines contempt as conduct that defies the authority or dignity of a court or legislature. Stop. It also adds that because such conduct interferes with the administration of justice, it is punishable. Stop. This special jurisdiction has to be unquestionably invoked when the offending acts are intentional by the contemner at the cost of eroding the system of administration of justice, which practice is necessarily required to be deprecated at the very initial stage. Stop.